Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by enabling Bluetooth on both devices and putting the car into pairing or discoverable mode. This is the first actionable step. Once done, open your phone's Bluetooth settings and scan for the car's name. Do not skip confirming Bluetooth visibility in the car menu. Make sure your phone's audio and media permissions are granted so the car can access phone audio. This prevents connection failures later. If a PIN is requested, match the code shown on both screens to proceed. You now select the car entry on your phone and accept any pairing prompts. This is where the devices exchange credentials. Make sure to confirm the PIN that appears on both screens to authenticate the link, and when asked, allow contacts and media access so calls and audio work. Once permissions are granted, wait until the car shows a solid Bluetooth-connected icon and the phone shows the car as paired. This handshake ensures phone audio, phone calls, and media routes correctly to the car system. You finish by verifying connections. Play music or place a test call to ensure audio routes through the car speakers and microphone. If audio doesn't switch, make sure the car's audio source is set to Bluetooth. Sometimes the system stays on radio or USB. If pairing still fails, toggle Bluetooth off and on, restart your phone, or reboot the car infotainment system. And as a last resort, clear old pairings in the car. This resolves most address or cache conflicts quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.